So, good morning, my dear students. We have learned about angles in your last classes, right? So, angles, that block is over. So, today we are going to discuss our next block number 12. Block number 12 is angle measures. Angle measures. In our last class in that angles portion we have studied about what are angles, how to measure angle, how to estimate an angle, right? So we have studied about different types of angle like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, that we have already studied. Those who are not studied yet, just study that, only then you can understand this chapter, okay? So you need to complete all your notebook on angles chapter. In recorded classes we have already completed maps, right? So you need to complete that maps and you need to complete that angles. Now we are going to take our next block, that is block number 12, angle measures. That first LB1 is estimating angles on a clock. So I know all you have know about clocks, and in clock you can see three hands you can see. In that we are considering only two hands. That hand makes some angles when they show time. When the clocks show time, it have some angle. It makes some angles. We need to measure that angles. Okay. So this is my clock. Okay, this is my clock. This measures here 12, 3, 6, 9, and in between they have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. This is my clock and this is the center point. So look at this figure. These are the hands of the clock making 3 o'clock. The time is now 3 o'clock. What is the angle made by this clock here? Yes, when you look at this figure, this base is the base for the baseline. This line is perpendicular, right? When a perpendicular line intersects the baseline, which is called a right angle. I hope no doubts. So the angle created here is 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree, right? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, just message me. Okay. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Draw this clock. Take your notebook and write down angle measures. First one is estimating angles on a clock, and draw a clock like this and mark 3 o'clock and mark the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. Okay. So your next question. What is the time between, what is the angle made by this hands in between 12 and 1? When you studied about estimating angles, right? So this is, no doubt, this is 30 degree, right? So you also need to draw this figure into your textbook, separate figure, not like being at marking second one. Draw each clock in your figures, in your notebook, okay? So what about this? This is between 12 and 2. This is 60 degree, right? Using our homemade protractor, 90 degrees divided into 2 equal halves makes 1 degree 45. Right? When we divide this protractor into 3 equal halves, it was 30 degrees, right? I hope all you, that's why I told you, just study the angle, estimating angles, that angles block first and then come to this chapter, okay? So the angle between here is 60 degree earlier, this angle is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. So, what about this? What about this angle? As we saw this is an obtuse angle, right? Angle greater than 90 degrees is called the obtuse angle. So the angle formed here is an obtuse angle, no doubt. So what is the measurement of angles created here? Okay, that is 120 degree. So in common we can see that for one division, if the hand is like this, it is 30 degree. When it moved to here, it is 60 degree. When it moved to here, it is 90 degree. When it is moved to here, it is 120 degree. So in general, we can say that one division is 30 degree. For a clock, one division is 30 degree. For moving each divisions, it increases the measurement by 30 degree. So when I told you to mark the angle between this, you just need to count how many divisions are there. You just need to count how many divisions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 divisions are there. So one division is 30. So what about 7? 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 and 210. 210 degree. So angle made here is 210 degree. In total, the angle created between single division is 30 degree. So for each division, it increases by 30 degree. Simply we can say that if it is 7 divisions, then the measurement is 7 into 30 degree, that is 120 degree. So for each questions, you just calculate how many divisions are there. Then multiply that divisions with the 30 degree gives you the angle between the hands. So it is 120 degree, no doubt. So what about this angle? As I said earlier, you just count how many divisions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divisions are there. So 5 into 30 equal to 150. So the angle here is 150 and angle here is, as we said earlier, it is 210 degree. This is all we discussed in today's class. We discussed the first chapter, estimating angles. This is the way we estimate angles. I hope all you understand how to estimate an angle, how to calculate the measures of hands of a clock. So in S1, in your workbook, you have S1 questions. Only 3 questions are there. That is we did in our class. Okay, your friends for online students, for your knowledge, your friends from the class did it as a class work. So during this video, you also do that as a class work. Okay, in your workbook, S1 should be done. And L1 is given to them as a homework. So you just do that after watching this video. You just do that chapter as L1 on your content book. L1 in your content book as a homework, and you should, for online students, you should send that pictures to me. Okay. So thank you. Study well.